How to make a presentation. In this video, we will show you the right way and the wrong way when presenting. There are 3 rules to remember. Number 1, keep it simple with font, size, and color. Let me show you some examples. Font. This is a bad example because the font is unclear to read. This is a good example because the font is easy to read. Size. This is a bad example because it is too small to read. This is a good example because the font is big enough to read. Color. This is a bad example because the colors are hard to look at. This is a good example because the color is pleasant to look at. Number 2, voice. During your presentation, remember, be loud and clear. Remove your mask and speak only in English. Number 3, practice. Practice and practice again until you feel confident. You can even practice in front of your pets at home. You are now ready for your presentation. Have fun!